and safe.
All right, Evo, so tell everybody what we're doing.
Giving bees a new home because they're in a wooden box.
All right, so what's the first thing that we do?
Drill a screw in for the queen to go, to hang the queen. Drill a hole for the queen.
Okay.
Yes.
Watch out.
Show them the hole. See, there's a hole. Spray in the hive so they get distracted for a bit.
Okay.
There's a lot.
So this is our 6th and last hive that we're putting in.
Yes.
And that's their food.
Yeah, and that can.
We dump that out.
And look how much bees are hungry. And this little black thing holds the queen,
Right,
and so she doesn't fall.
Let's get the queen out. All right. So.
And that is the queen in the little box in there. But you can't see her because of all these bees.
Eva, you want to show them going in?
Yeah.
Right.
And I call this the bee waterfall because it looks like a bunch of bees going on a waterfall.
I think you said there's 15,000 in here.
Wow. Look at all of that. It's like an ocean. That's 2 of them. The other 2 are over there. Business is booming. Yes. So while he empties the last bits out, I'm trying to scooch these bees so I can see the queen.
Eva, don't forget the video.
Trying to get so you can see the queen. I see someone with the red dot.
Okay, so the queen's.
Well, they look ready to sting you.
She's in there.
She's the one with the red dot.
So these are all our bees in here. All right. There you go. Hold this again.
Oh, there's a bee on the phone.
Let's drop our queen in.
That's the queen in the little box.
There she is. See her in there, pink?
She's with the red dot on her back.
Right.
And then you put it on there and screw.
We got to take out the little cover.
Yeah, we have to take out the little cover.
See, that's sugar in there, and
Yeah.
they'll eat that and then let her out. It'll take them a couple days, though.
And then you put that on and you have a screw.
Yeah, I like to do this so we can hang her.
Yeah, and then you should screw it on. Screwing it on, as you can see.
Watch out, drone.
And if you don't know, a drone bee is a boy bee.
Watch out. All right, so now...
In this process, watch out that you don't squish any bees.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to not squish them.
And when you're doing that hole, you don't drill any bees in the hole. So yeah. Oh, almost dropped the phone. And look at all of them, just eating away. Hey bees, can you scooch it, pooch it, wow.
All right, next thing we got to do is